Hey there everyone, welcome back to TechEric. In this video, let us see how to install Kali Linux in UTM. So to install UTM, you can just go to the link in the description box below. So you can just go to the mac.getutm.app. So this link will be in the description box below. So go there and just click on the download option and you can do the regular setup. So once you have done the regular setup, you will be seeing the UTM interface like this. And the second thing is going to be installing the Kali Linux ISO file. So this link will be also in the description box below, so you can go there and check it out. So over here, you can just click on the Apple Silicon and then just click on the download option. So once you have downloaded the ISO file, it will be in your downloads. So over here, I kept it in a file, so it is over here. So now let us add the ISO file into UTM. So in order to do that, we can just click on the plus icon or create a new virtual machine. So once you have done this, you can just click on virtualize and over here, we can just click on other. And over here, we can just browse the Kali Linux ISO file and then we can just click on continue. And over here, we can just set the hardware memory information. So we can just set it as 3072 and then we can click on continue. And over here, we can just set the storage to 50 GB and then we can just select the shared directory path. So we can neither do it or not. So over here, we can just select the downloads. And we can just click on open and then we can just click on continue and we can name our virtual machine. So I'm going to name it as Kali 2023 and we can just click on save. And over here on the top right corner, we can see an edit option. So as soon as you click on it, we can just select a logo for this particular virtual machine. So I'm going to select the Kali Linux favicon. So now we can just save it. Now we can just play the virtual machine. So if you are facing this black screen problem, don't worry. So it is going to be going to the settings option and come down below. Over here, click on this new and select serial and then click save. So over here, we can see another terminal is open here. So let us just keep that. And now we can just use the terminal 1 to do the configuration and the installation process. So now we can just press return. And now we can just say enter and select your country and the key map to use. So once this is done, you can just set your host name. So I'm just going to keep it as rig and then we can press enter and then we can just skip this by pressing return and then we can just give a name for the new user. So we can just keep it as rig and rig continue and we can just set a password for the new user. So I'm going to give it as rig and we can retype it. For this option, we can just go with the guided use entire disk and we can just press return and we can just press return. We can just say all files in one partition and then we can just press return again. And then over here, we can just select yes. So over here, we can just select the desktop environment and XFCE, and then we can just go with the default options. So we can just press return. So now the installation process is over. You can just click on continue and now the system will be rebooting. So now what we can do is we can just close the terminal 1 and over here on the UTM, you can just go down below, click on CD/DVD and over here you can just click on clear and you can close this virtual machine. Now if you play this, you can see Kali Linux is open here. That's it. So this is how to install Kali Linux in UTM the proper way. So if you like this video, make sure you give a like and also subscribe to our channel. See you next video, guys.